Hi. So our last session was calendar. Calendar is very important. If we made any mistake in calendar, that means our critical path calculation all will be wrong. When we make schedule, all activities will get date, slots, etc. Right? So those calculation will get messed up if calendar is wrong. The basis of all calculations in Primavera is calendar. So make sure your calendar is right. And also before making calendar, always discuss with your boss or your superior, whoever is in charge in your planning. You need to discuss with them what should be the timing, the working start time, end time. Is there any holidays we need to add for an year or next year or during the project duration? All these things are very important. Once we create calendar and once we assign that calendar to activities, and again if you want to change the calendar means we need to again do some workarounds. Means the calculation will again change. There may be many issues when we change the calendar after assigning to the activities. During my career start as a planning engineer in 2010, I was in one Korean company called Doosan. At that time I was a fresher and I am creating the schedule first time. So I created one schedule and I assigned one calendar. Actually at that time I didn't discuss with my boss about the calendar. I created with some logic and I assigned that calendar to the activities. After some time, during some discussions, they requested me to change the calendar. So I changed the calendar. The calendar settings is changed and again I reassigned that calendar to the activities. I thought everything was fine. So I print the schedule and give it to everyone. And during one meeting, project manager found all the dates are wrong. The date calculations are wrong. It's not matching. So I don't know what happened. At that time, planning related materials like tutorials and all in YouTube and Google is very less compared to now. Now so many materials are available throughout internet. That time, I think it took me a half week for fixing that calendar issue. Calendar is very important. When we create calendar, give that much importance to calendar. You learn the calendar function very well in Primavera. Then you will get that confidence for assigning or creating calendar. If you made any mistake in your calendar means all your further calculations, date calculations and the critical path calculations in your schedule, the dates, the floats, durations, the resource loading, the man-hour calculations and the cost related to that, everything will change. So in projects, messing up calendar means messing up your project. I think it's clear. So let's see in a session.